English class. Before we get started, I want to make some recommendations. First of all, be safe. Stay at home. Wash your hands. Use your dinosaur soap. And use your hand sanitizer. We're beginning lesson 3 of our book number 3. And this is how the page looks. It's page number 17 in your AMCO book. Book 3, Lesson 3. Now I want to introduce to you the words that we will be working with in phonology. I will play track 5 and point to the words on the board, so pay attention.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Seal. Seal. Out. Out. Feet. Feet. Cow. Cow. Clown. Clown. Crown. Crown. Sheep. Sheep. Sound. Sound. Team. Team.
So there you have your spelling words for lesson 3. Remember, lesson 3 begins on page 17. Tomorrow, we'll continue working with these words. Before we continue, I have to look for page 81 so I can introduce to you the next lesson for today. The next lesson for today is the present progressive tense. Before you begin working with it, Ms. Devani wants you to get introduced and get used to hearing the words that you will be working with. Present progressive tense. First of all, I'm going to read to you what is the present progressive tense. The present progressive tense tells about an action that is happening at the moment. An action that is happening at the moment, for example, Miss Devani is talking. What is happening? She is talking. Is the verb to be. Talking is the verb with the ing ending. Okay? It's something that is happening right now. And it will continue to happen for a while. So that's why we say Miss Devani is talking. And she will continue talking to explain to you what is the present progressive tense. For this, she wants to present to you the Flip Classroom video. For this, I will play the video and you will pay attention. AMCO, happy to learn. The video is presenting to us the present progressive tense. Remember, the present progressive tense tells about an action that is happening right now, and it will continue for a while. How do we form the present progressive tense? It's very simple. To form the present progressive tense, we use the verb to be. Remember, the forms are am, is, and are. And then we add the verb ending in ing. For example, my mom is baking a pie. Do you see the verb to be? Yes, the verb to be is the word is. And now which one is the verb? Bake. Correct. But bake has a special ending here. It ends in ing. And it doesn't say bake anymore. It says baking. And this means that this action is happening right now, and it might continue for a while. My mom might bake another cake. Let's see another example. We are watching a movie. There you see the verb to be are and the verb with the ing ending. Watching. We are watching a movie. We can also form negative with the present progressive. You remember the word that we use for negative? Yes, the word not. The word not. Very good. For the negative form of the present progressive tense, just add the word not. Yes, you got it. Before the verb ending in ing. See how easy that is? We already knew that. Let's see how this works. It's supposed to be very simple. So let's see how it works. It works the verb to be, am, is, or are, plus the word not, plus the verb ending in ing. Now we're adding three words together. Let's see an example. Adam is not playing basketball. As you can see, the verb to be is, the negative word not, the verb plus the ing ending, is not playing. Adam is not playing basketball. That's a negative sentence because it has the word not. Another example. Oh, the pizza fell on the floor. What would you say if someone asked you about the pizza? I'd say, I'm not eating that pizza. Why? Because it fell on the floor. Now, let's look at the sentence. I am, the verb to be, not, the negative word, eating, verb plus ing. So there you have it. Am not eating. Negative, not. So the sentence is, I am not eating that pizza. To write questions in the present progressive tense, you have to write the verb to be first and followed by a noun or a pronoun and that the sentence is talking about. Okay? Let's see an example so we can understand better. Remember now, we're working with questions. We're going to ask something. So the sentence in the positive form or affirmative form says, I am cleaning my room. How do we make it a question? Remember, we switch the pronoun and the verb to be. Am I cleaning my room? Let's watch how they switch them. Am I cleaning my room? And a question mark at the end. Another example. Andy is studying for his quiz. We switch them and we will have, is Andy studying for his quiz? Question mark. It's very important that we write a question mark at the end of every question. Like that, we can identify what kind of sentence we are talking about. Now that you know the present progressive tense tells about an action that is happening right now and will continue for a while, now in the next lesson, we're going to work with it. You can always check your language section of your book for more exercises and to watch this video from the Flip Classroom. Remember, Ms. Devani didn't make you listen to it. She made you watch it and she explained it. And the present progressive tense begins on page 81. So those are the 2 pages where our lesson begins. Lesson 3 from phonology begins on page 17 and the present progressive tense begins on page 81. I hope you guys like the class. I enjoyed making it for you. Goodbye.